Denise Fang. Before I started to bathroom renovation, I had 6 companies. I interviewed them, I talked to them, I had pretty much everything. They are so flexible. Okay, it's not like other company, they say, no, I can do this, we cannot do that, you have to choose this, you have to do that. There's no such a thing for this company, first of all. Second of all, their price, I have to say, it's not the cheapest, it's not the most expensive one, it's the mid-range. And their quality is very, very good. There are a few person in this company, I think I'm really, really thankful, okay? First, Juliana, she did an excellent job and she's so professional and she's so honest. This is my second job is Sergey. He is very, very responsive, professional, and always deliver because they take all the stress, right? They take all the stress and then I don't have to. They really work hard, okay? You can see that, okay? So, and after they finish, they always clean after they leave. So you don't have to worry a thing. And to the end, of course, the end result is way better than what I expected. Beyond my expectation. I think that's the thing I'm so happy about it.